With AT&T Collaborate Enhanced Mobile, you can use your computer to access business-class voice features. But first you need to download and install the Collaborate app. This video shows you how. Before you begin, make sure you can install software on your computer. Your phone number is assigned to Collaborate Enhanced Mobile and the Unified Communications Bundle. You can access AT&T Business Center and the Collaborate homepage. You have a Collaborate app password. For more about access and passwords, watch the video Set Up Your Account to Access Tablet and Desktop Apps. Now let's get started. Log into Business Center at businesscenter.att.com. On the Collaborate homepage, click Equipment. Scroll down and click Go to the Desktop App and Web Experience page. Under AT&T Collaborate, click Download for the operating system you're using. First, we're going to show you how to install the Collaborate app on a computer running Microsoft Windows. After that, we'll show you the steps for installing on an Apple computer. If asked whether you want to save or run the Collaborate.exe program, click Run. Select an installer language, and then click OK. Click Next. Read the license agreement, and if you accept it, click I agree. Now you'll be prompted through a series of install options. Either accept the default selections or make new ones. Then click Next. When you reach the prompt to begin the install process, click Install. When the Collaborate service is installed, click Next. Click Finish to close the Collaborate Service Setup program, then click Finish again to close the Collaborate Setup program. The Collaborate app opens and prompts you to sign in with your phone number and Collaborate app password. Now, let's step through the installation on an Apple computer. After that, we'll show you how to sign in to Collaborate Enhanced Mobile on both operating systems. On an Apple computer, after you click Download, you'll see this screen. Double-click the Collaborate.pkg icon. The Collaborate installer opens. Click Continue. Now you'll be prompted through a series of install options. Either accept the default selections or make new ones. Then click Install. The installation begins. When the installation is complete, click Close. The Collaborate.app icon appears in the list of applications installed on your Apple computer. Double-click the Collaborate.app icon. The Collaborate app opens and prompts you to sign in with your phone number and Collaborate app password. Now let's sign in to Collaborate Enhanced Mobile. The process is the same for computers running Windows and Apple computers. Enter your phone number and your Collaborate app password. Click Sign In, and you're in. Note that the first time you sign in, you will be prompted to read and accept the license agreement before you can continue. Every time you sign in, you'll see a message about emergency services and updating your registered location. For your safety, it's crucial that the registered location is accurate for your computer. If you move your computer, update your registered location. For more information, watch the video Maintain Registered Location. Now you can access business-class voice features from your computer using Enhanced Mobile and the Collaborate app. Want to learn more? Check the Business Center Help menu for more videos and step-by-step help.